Are you for a comfortable and stylish floor chair on the market and latest model? Check out our top 5 picks for the best floor chairs. From traditional designs to modern options, we've got you covered. So, let's get started with the list.
List number Kuya Japanese floor chair with back support.
Our Kuya Japanese floor chair is a premium ergonomic chair
With an extra wide back and thick, comfortable cushion. The oversized design ensures users will feel the support while sitting in their most upright position. At Kuya, we strive to offer the best experience possible.
Our floor chair features a durable, comfortable, and supportive
Custom locking frame that uses stainless steel bolts to adjust your chair to 5 different positions for maximum comfort and practicality. The bottom of this chair is made of easy clean nylon that is perfect for outdoor use and can be wiped down with any sort of cleaning wipe or soap and water. The linen upholstery is breathable, durable, and long-lasting, meaning it'll be able to withstand the wear and tear of use from generation to generation. The cover is made of premium and breathable linen, while the trim and headrest are luxurious vegan leather.
List number Flogger Indoor 5-Position Adjustable Floor Chair. The Flogger Indoor 5-Position Adjustable Floor Chair has a super soft polyester flannel covering, no pilling, and padded with the soft recycled cotton. The floor chair is an excellent choice for everyday use, and its flexibility makes it perfect for multi-purpose. It's ideal to chill while watching a game on TV or playing the latest board game with friends or family members. Or reading your latest book, meditating comfortably on the floor, or playing board games with your family. This durable and super soft polyester flannel floor chair. The flannel fabric is soft to the touch, and its no-pill performance makes this a valuable addition to any home gym or game room. The chair has an adjustable height, allowing you to easily adjust for comfort, sitting on the ground or in a chair.
List number Waitrim 5-Position Indoor Adjustable Floor Chair. The 5-Position Adjustable Floor Chair is an excellent choice for you and your office needs. You can easily choose the position you want to sit in through the built-in push buttons, providing a sturdy as well as comfortable support for the upper and lower back. The pivoting wheels allow quick movement around the desk. The durable steel frame provides additional stability while being highly portable. The lifetime warranty ensures the reliability of the chair. No scratch material makeup and long-lasting service guarantee excellent experience. This chair is made with a sturdy, durable suede fabric cover and 5-position upholstery. The zippered cover is removable and easily cleaned by machine. It takes seconds to remove the cover and clean it with some soap and water, but can take a few minutes to take it off and put it back on. List number Malu Luxury Padded Floor Chair with Back Support. This Malu floor chair is perfect for outdoor events and parties. The chair is made of an easy clean nylon bottom, so it only takes 1 minute to wash it. With its comfortable padded seat, you can sit around the table for hours with friends and family without having to worry about hurting your back. Since this chair has an adjustable backrest made with a metal locking technology and can be easily adjusted to 5 different positions as per your preference, you can lie back and relax while enjoying a favorite TV show or movie on your tablet using Bluetooth speakers. This chair features an adjustable backrest, making it suitable for everyone of varying heights. With an easy clean nylon bottom and a yoga-style desk design, the Malu can be used indoors as well as outdoors. The cover is made of microsuede fabric and combines both style and comfort, while it also looks great in your abode. List 5. Onvivo Floor Chair with Back Support. The perfect alternative to any gaming floor chair or beanbag seat. This elegant and stylish fold-in floor chair is as versatile as it is comfortable. Made with upholstery filling, PE foam, and PU foam molds, our comfy chairs provide maximum comfort wherever you sit. Lay this foldable floor chair down flat, completely upright at 90 degrees, or lay it down at various angles, ranging from 60 to 90 degrees in 6 positions. Our comfy chairs provide maximum comfort wherever you sit. Lay this foldable floor chair down flat and any angle in between. The perfect alternative to any gaming floor chair or beanbag seat. With a sleek, modern design, a quality PU leather finish, and 600D polyester,
This folding floor chair fits flawlessly into any room.